because a tiny, tiny, almost like a big box type of thing. And it was made into just the halt for two to get a little look of the ground as it now is, whatever it was. And yes, I thought that we did have someone. I can't remember doing the work myself, but I believe that there was the move over to there being a guardhouse, and fit for the gardener to spend his time. If it was going to be the using of the house, the ground in another way, just to say, I'm going to stick a big gun. Because why not have a big gun here, and it would be wonderful just near the end of where the house now is. I think that was my last thoughts, that really we took over the first ground, that seemed to be open at the end of our stay. Here was, and this was what happened hereafter, and it was certainly at least one hut, and that would be very useful there. We could do all our whatever we do, and it be attached. It could be attached quite separately, and there could be a distance between us. And with it being, as it were, as one foresaw it, one foresaw it being raised as a hut, more or less like the size of this room, that enabled us to have somewhere out in the open, but not a big dwelling. It's just a little